At 11, local law enforcement calls it a crushing blow.
One of the most common tactics to crack down on illegal marijuana use is no longer an option, at least for now.
As WPTV News Channel 5's Megan McRoberts reports, in Martin County, the sheriff says the impact goes beyond drug arrest. Megan.
Yeah, Michael, so if a law enforcement officer pulls someone over and say they smell or even see something that they believe is medical marijuana or not medical marijuana, that used to be enough probable cause for them to go ahead and search the vehicle. But that is no longer the case now that legal hemp is so similar to illegal marijuana.
Nancy Tango 72.
Anytime deputies on patrol pull over a car,
Only under 5.
they're trained to know if there might be marijuana inside.
The fresh or burnt has a pretty distinct odor.
And the presumed smell or sight of it used to be one way deputies could ask to search a car without a warrant. But according to this letter from the state attorney's office, new laws taking hemp off of the controlled substance list will make marijuana searches and arrests more difficult.
And this agency and most agencies in Florida will not be making marijuana arrests.
Because according to the state attorney, legal hemp and illegal marijuana are identical in look and smell. The lab law enforcement uses to test possible illegal substances isn't yet equipped to detect illegal levels of THC.
Until we have a lab that can test, law enforcement efforts around marijuana are dead in the water.
Corporal Billy Jake says being able to use sight and smell of marijuana as probable cause to search often led to bigger discoveries.
Cannabis itself or other drugs or guns or other crimes.
Those days are gone.
The state attorney says local labs might be updated in 3 to 6 months to test for THC, but until then,
we'll work around it. It will be a blow to everyday enforcement efforts, and society will not be better off for this.
So the sheriff says, though, this is still not a free ticket for someone to try to get away with illegal activity. Deputies can still do field tests to determine if someone is driving under the influence of an illegal substance simply by judging their behavior behind the wheel. Reporting live in Martin County, I'm Megan McRoberts, WPTV News Channel 5.